So, as we have discussed that in the planning, we must first have to the data entry by the user regarding the plan. So, this is the table which is showing has the actual column of 2019 data of customer and the respective product categories. And in the meantime, there is another column which is a plan 01 2020. So in this column 2020 planning data is appearing now. The column plans data we can organize in many ways. We will discuss practically in other lecture later in this course. For now, just understand that we just have to populate the actual data, and with the respect of actual data we will generate the plan column, and by the user or the any authorized user can perform any operation like for example in this scheme you are seeing that the plus 100% is applying. So after applying this plus 10%, all the values which have been entered previously in the planned column automatically will be regenerated by entering this function or any other function. We can apply many different type of calculation, and all the calculation will be automatically applied with the respective category with the respective drilled down values.